Hey everyone, my name is Bruno and I'm one of the co-founders here at SenseLab. Today, I want to talk to you about a problem that is being overlooked by most of the teams out there. Let's be honest, most of the code that you're pushing to production today is probably being written by AI. If not yet, you're definitely on your way there, trust me. And the problem is that it becomes incredibly hard or impossible for you to keep track of everything that AI is writing. And at the end of the day, what I'm seeing happening is that most of the teams are just clicking on accept. And the problem that this creates is that nobody, and what I mean by nobody is you, your CTO, and definitely not your compliance team, knows what's in there. How much of the code that is being pushed to production today has been written by AI versus written by our internal team? Which models were used? Which IDEs or AI coding tools were used by developers? And ultimately, how much did that actually affect production? And the problem today is that there's no trust layer between what AI writes and what is being pushed to production. And that's the exact problem that SenseLab is solving. And today, I want to show you how you can quickly start tracking AI lineage of your code from the beginning. As you develop and push your application to Git or your code to Git, how you can start tracking in a few easy steps. Let me show you. All right. So here we have basically my terminal. Ta-da. All right, so once I have my terminal, I can basically install SenseLab CLI. That's the first step. So I will use curl, I'll install SenseLab CLI. Takes just a few seconds. That's it. As you can see, I'm actually in a simple lineage directory here, which is basically a Git repo that I cloned and I have it running internally. So if you're a new user, what you're going to do now is sense CLI sign up. Perfect. This is going to open up this page, ta-da, where we can sign up directly here. I'll sign up. All right, now I have the project creation or entity creation here. I'll just say demo user one, and demo project, right? All right, I'll click on continue. You can choose a plan, but everything that we're showing here today is basically free. Once you click on free, you can say start for free, and done, I'm connected. So if I go back to my CLI right now, I can see that my CLI is connected. Awesome. Now, what I do is I'm in my project directory here. So what I'm going to do is sense CLI lineage enable. Let's move to cursor. All right, we have cursor right in front of us with my simple lineage project, right? Let me start by just asking cursor to do something. I can say, hey, redesign the use case page to be more modern. I don't know. Something very simple, right? You can see cursor is starting to work. Let's go back to our SenseLab dashboard. All right, I have the SenseLab dashboard here. If I just go to dashboard, you can see my AI lineage dashboard directly here. Once cursor starts to push code, I'm going to start seeing this being populated here. Let's see where cursor is right now. Let's wait a few seconds until it actually populates something. All right, so cursor finished. I should have asked for a smaller task, but basically cursor redesigned the whole web page for me, right? So if we go back to our SenseLab dashboard, not this one, there you go. All right, so in our SenseLab dashboard, you can see that this has been automatically populated. Awesome, it works. So directly here, you can see the number of events, the commits that cursor did along the way, how many hours it actually saved me as an estimate. You can see basically this is a number of lines, AI written lines divided by 50 lines per hour, giving an estimate, and the median session, right? How long it actually took. So cursor was running for 3 minutes. Directly here, you can see kind of AI adoption, which is 100% because I'm the only user here, team coverage 100%, and activity volume and session quality. If you click on the total events, you can see the events that happened during the time. You can see the session details, as well as the files that it was actually changing. So you can see it's the use case, like I mentioned before. And if we come to commit activity, you're going to see here directly which tools my team is actually using, cursor in my case, and which models I'm using. So it's basically Sonnet medium thinking directly here. Team coverage, you can see the users in your team that are actually pushing code. And if you have more people, you can see a leaderboard. So more people that are actually using AI more and more, so you can track AI adoption across your team. If you come to overview, you also have a pretty cool link in terms of share. So if I click here, you're gonna see that I have a dashboard that I can share with my managers and the teams around to say, show AI adoption across my team. So AI commits, events, tools being used, hours saved, and AI lines written in this case as well. If we come back to the dashboard, you can have a lot more around PR attribution. So later down the line, I'll record another video showing if you add an AI agent to do review, and then you have another AI agent that can help you with release. And you can see how we build not only an SBOM, but an AI BOM as well, and tie this all up to all the way to production. But from here, you can see how you can get started with just a few comments in just a few minutes for free. I hope that was useful. Would love to see you sharing this page as well. Thank you.